Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw owl. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's make it more prominent. Let's color this beautiful owl. We are using yellow color. To color the eyes, we are using yellow color. To color his big eyes, now we are using blue color. To color the head, we are using blue color. This is light blue color. Light blue color. We are using light blue color. Which color we are using? We are using light blue color. Good job. Yellow color. Red color. To color the wings, we will use rainbow colors. First, we are using red color. Red color. Red color. Purple color. This is purple color. We are using purple color. Purple color. Orange color. This is orange color. Light green color. Light green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Red color. This is red color. Light green color. Light green color, purple color. This is purple color. Which color? This is purple color. Pink color, pink color. Yellow color, light blue color. To color his body, we are using light blue color. Light blue color. Yellow color. Brown color. To color the branch, we are using brown color. Brown color. Which color we are using? We are using brown color. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. We are using brown color. Which color we are using? We are using brown color. Good job. Dark green color. To color the leaves, we are using dark green color. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Thanks for watching.